Hello, everyone. Today I'm taking on a challenge, building a SaaS platform that includes many of the most in-demand tools on the web. Each tool will have a user-facing front end and a developer-friendly backend, and the platform will be fully ready for production use. This is the final result. We'll walk through the idea and explore its features. Since we're currently working locally in a development environment, we'll move to production using a custom domain, visit3.com. Now let's move on to the tools. We have 41 tools available, and visitors can try them without logging in, but with certain limits. Let's try the DNS lookup tool. Visitors get 5 test attempts. We'll quickly go through and try a few more tools. Here's the product research tool, a feature that's highly valuable for anyone running an e-commerce store. It requires signing into the platform, and we'll test it in a moment. The Resume Builder tool allows you to create a professional, modern CV easily with smooth customization. It includes multiple unique templates, and you can control colors, fonts, and many other design features. The Certificate Builder tool is similar to the Resume Builder, but instead it generates professional certificates. When exporting a PDF, you'll see a guest limit reached message, since guest users only have one export attempt. Now let's log in and take a look at the dashboard. You can also sign up using Google or GitHub. These advanced analytics features are accessible only to subscribers. Let's start with the product research tool. So far, I've added 174 Shopify stores. The more stores you add, the more accurate the tool becomes, providing better results. It also includes additional tools for comparison, competitor analysis, and product insights. We already tried the Resume Builder earlier, so we'll go over it quickly. The QR code generator includes multiple categories. For example, Wi-Fi access or PayPal payments. You can also fully customize the design and access advanced configuration options. Now let's try the AI Book Studio tool. I'll run a simple prompt and generate just 2 chapters so it doesn't take too long. We have full book design customization, including fonts, colors, icons, and other styling options. There's also a preview feature so you can see the final layout before exporting. We'll quickly go through a few more tools before starting to develop the SaaS using Vibe coding. The MCP integration feature allows developers to use these tools within their own applications through an IDE editor or any platform that supports an MCP server. The API docs section helps users easily understand and integrate the available APIs and endpoints. The API keys feature allows you to view your API keys and generate a new one. There's also a run test option to test the key immediately after creating it. The billing page includes pricing details and billing history. Finally, the tail search feature allows users to quickly find their tools, even if there are thousands available on the platform. Now let's move on to developing this SaaS using AI. I'll be using Anti-Gravity as my IDE editor, the one developed by Google. Go to antigravity.google, click on Download, then choose your operating system. If you're using Mac OS, select Mac OS. It's also available for Windows and Linux. In my case, I'll be using Linux. The installation is simple. Just copy the commands and paste them into your terminal. Then sign in with Google and open Anti-Gravity using your Google account. I've prepared a professional prompt that clearly explains the idea, the infrastructure, and all the features I want so the AI agent can fully understand the project. Now let's tell the AI to get started. Make sure you watch until the end of the video because we'll go through how to fix errors and upgrade the first version into the final release. I'll speed up the video from here. All right, the AI says it has completed the project. At this point, you need to add all your credentials into the .env file, including the database configuration. Let's open the browser and test the web application. This is the first version. Honestly, the design isn't bad for a first attempt. However, there are a few issues. On the features page, the page keeps reloading. The pricing page has a problem too. It redirects back to the previous page. The same issue happens on the contact page. So now we need to prepare another prompt explaining these errors, adding better security hardening, and requesting additional features. Ideally, you can even use AI to help you write that improved prompt. I've prepared the new prompt, and now I'm going to share the terminal errors with the AI agent. Then we'll send the updated prompt in the same conversation. I'll speed up the video again. Great. The AI has fixed the errors and added some extra features. Let's review the project and make sure everything works properly. The pages are now functioning correctly. Let's create an account and check the dashboard. Nice. The design looks modern. Let's quickly test a few tools. Everything looks good. It may only have a few tools for now, but it's production ready. I'll call this version 1. In this next part, I'll upgrade the SaaS from an initial version to a final, fully polished release with a professional design that supports multiple advanced tools. I'll prepare another detailed prompt explaining the new goals, and I'll speed up the video again. After a lot of patience and iteration, we've finally finished building the SaaS. It's now production ready, and you can try it at visit3.com. You can download both the first version and the final version from the link in the video description below. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to the channel and leave a comment about any SaaS idea you'd like to see built using vibe coding with AI without writing a single line of code. I'll see you in the next video.